Here's a video request for a walk around, close up of some of the body work. Down there. A little bit of rust on that bit of the hood. Clean there. Little bit of surface rust there, but still solid. In the back, bit of bubble in there. A few underneath. Chip there. A little bit of bubble there, but still solid. Clean here and here. On the other side.